Yo, what up, everyone? Hope y'all having a good day. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite setups I be taking on the live markets. So, we're gonna be starting off on the 4 hour, but I usually start off on the daily, then 4 hour, then 1 hour, then 30 minute, and then 15. That's how I do in the live markets, but I will only be trading on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute on these examples. Okay, so what can you see right now on price? We see a bearish trend, a bearish trend. Okay. Um, as you can see right here, hold on, a bearish trend. As you can see, what the heck? What's wrong with this? Hold up. Okay, there you go. Lower high, lower high, and then lower high. Okay, now what can you see right now? What can price do? Look at the area that pushed it. It was this area. And this area is a strong level as well that we are going to retest. So let's mark this up as our area of interest. So we found support. Now, what we're looking for is for this area over here, as you can see right here, to make resistance, to continue pushing down like this. In order for us to do that, we'll have to go on the smaller time frames and break this up. So we're looking at the 1 hour at that area. Okay. Okay, look at this area right here. Well, that's a that's yeah, that's like a 4 hour support right there as well. So let's go on the 30 minute. Okay, this is Asian session, like basic buys, clean buys right here. Let's adjust this real quick. But I don't trade the Asian session because there's lots of fake outs and I don't like it. It's not my session. I only trade London. Okay, we tapped in this area. Well, I only look for trades at pre-London, so let's go to pre-London. Okay. Okay. Um, as you can see right here, we created a support and now we are ranging. So we are ranging. So what can I see right now? I can see us going like this, up channel, side channel, and down channel. That's what I see right now. So let me just go to 1 hour before London. I'll be trading right here. 1 hour before London. Okay, I'll be trading right now. At this moment, I'll be on the markets and looking for setups. So right now, this if we break this low, I'm gonna wait for a closure. If we could close bullish right here, make this as support, I'll probably take an impulse entry. Okay, I'm taking an impulse entry at this low because once we break this low, this becomes a gambler candle to continue pushing down. That's why I'm taking an impulse. And my take profit right here at the 4 hour support. So we're trusting the 4 hour time frame right there. and higher time frames is like better confirmation. And our stops will be at 15 pips right here. Um, and the reason I'm not taking profit right here at this support or this support, since these are minor areas, I'm trusting the 4 hour area. I'm trusting the higher time frames. I'm not trusting the lower time frames. Also on the 1 hour, we got clean traffic, so there should be lots of volume. So our break even point will be to a 101 over here, because there's no reason why price should go back up at 15 pips up, unless if you're gonna start ranging. If we get stopped out at break even, I could care less, because I do not want to be in a range or none of that. Okay, we'll close 80% at a 103. Okay, next candle is London open. Let's see what happened. Okay, whoa, fat candle. Yep, we rejected that area heavily. So we got lots of volume right now. So I will probably close 80% right here or probably right there. But I like just taking quick trades and calling it a day. Okay, closing 80% risk free. I'm literally not paying attention to the markets right now because I already closed 80%. I just let the rest run to TP when whatever happens, whatever happens. Okay, beautiful. Look at this. We rejected this area heavily. Okay, as you can see there, beautiful trade I took. Um, let's try to give another example of this setup that I take. So, what time is it? I don't trade New York, but New York is it's a different session if you want to trade it. New York and London are like the two best sessions to trade in my opinion. Okay. After two, the volume dies off. This is two, and after two, the volume dies off. If I don't find a setup after two, I don't trade. I just call it a night. Okay, it looks like we found support at this area right here if you look left. Okay, we do got clean traffic all the way down here. And there's just a minor area we're not too worried about. Okay, you could have a sell stop below there, but as you can see right here, we got wake rejections. So I'm not doing a sell stop on that below there. I'm just gonna wait for a closure because that's a better, safer entry. Okay, we do have a closure at pre-New York. So next candle is gonna be New York open, and we're gonna put a sell stop below this candle. Because if we do it like this, and if it does not break this low, it could continue going back up. But if we do it like this, it's like a more higher chance of you winning if it breaks this low. A more higher chance. And I'll put my stops on top of that wick. Because if it does if it does tap me in and it breaks that wick, the trade is not valid no more for sells. So you could take your profit down there. Okay. Oh, that's a nasty candle. We got no wick on the top, so we're heavily bearish. Heavily bearish. So, okay, that's a weak bearish closure, but I'm not too worried about it since that's a 1 hour closure. Let's go on the 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, it's the 1 hour. We're just gonna fill that wick. On the 1 hour, we do got an area right there. But we should not be too worried about it. Okay. You see on the next 1 hour, We got no top wick, and we continue pushing down. So me, I'll probably close right there and just call it night because I don't feel comfortable holding for that long. It's gonna it could play out or it's gonna play out. It could just stop me out right now at break even. So I'd rather just call it a night because we do got hurt right there. Okay, we did break that top wick right there. So yeah, that was like a support right there. So I closed out right around here. So at a 3 to 1. That's a good trade. It could play out all the way down there, but I'm not holding. Okay, it did play out. That was very nice. Um, let's let's go to the next London. Let's try to find another example. Okay, it looks like we found support. Yeah, right here in the past, you rejected this area and pushed back up. So this is like a strong area. Um, okay, let's go on the 4 hour real quick. Let's see what's going on the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, yeah, we're looking for buys above here, right there, or you could find buys right here, down over here. We do got support to the left on the 4 hour, and it's a strong area. If it's a strong area, we'll be interested looking for buys right there at strong areas. Because if it makes support there, that's a good chance for buys. Like a very good. Like right now, you could possibly buy, but it's too early. So I'm waiting. I take trades before 1 hour. It's way too early to take any trades. Okay. So this is just this right here on the top. Just that. Just this. Oof. Okay. We have a closure below this area. Let's just see. And now we could potentially go all the way down here. Now let's see the time. 21:30. I will not be taking this trade because it's not pre-London yet. So that's just a 4 hour closing. 4 hour closing possibly. Okay. It it could have played out. Okay, we made support down there. So I'll consider this whole area possibly a range. Ooh, okay, I'm very interested in this. We like this is a liquidity grab. Okay, a liquidity grab is like when you got lots of energy in the market, lots of volume, and you grab lots of power, like lots of energy. It's like you charging up like a weapon and lots of energy. So this trade should play out, and it's at my trading area. I trade at this time, so it should play out. I'm having a 25 pip stop. Um, a 4 to 3. So I'm not too worried about this. I'll put break even at 25 pips right here, right there, break even. And I'm probably looking for back at that range. Okay, let's just see. Okay, we are very bullish. We're at break even. Okay, at this area, right over here, we could reject and go back down and get stopped out at break even. But I'm trusting this liquidity grab to continue pushing back up because every time we have a liquidity grab and we close bullish like that, we usually go back to the next resistance. Okay, that's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very. So we got a 4.23. That's very nice trade setup. Very nice. Okay, would you take a buy on top of here? What time is it? London Open. I mean, we do got wick rejections to the left, so I'll adjust this right there. So I'll be looking for buys on top of there. That looks good buys. Okay, we rejected this area. Okay. Um. Par. Okay, I'm gonna give another example real quick. Um. With my other type of setups, let's see. Let's see this London. Oh. Okay, let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, let's see 4 hour. Okay, this is like a strong level right here in the 4 hour. So we could have a correction phase now. Our correction phase will possibly be a closure on top and back over there. So that will be our correction phase to continue pushing down. So I'm looking for a closure on top of there. 1 hour. Okay, so what I'm looking for is for price to go over here, tap this area, make support, and then have a closure impulse entry. I'll probably take an impulse entry right here at the break of that because we got wick rejections, so I don't want to take that. Okay, let's adjust this on the 30-minute. Let's adjust this. Okay, this whole area I'll consider a range this up to here. If we do close under, we got clean sells to the left, 72 pip range, very clean. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Pre-London. Okay, this is pre-London. Pre-London, lots of volume. Okay. Okay. Okay, we made a support. That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I was looking for. So I'm having a buy stop on top of this. And my target will be on top of here. So I'm just looking for like a 1 or 2. So I'll probably have 25 stops. 25 pips off. And this only works, impulse entries only work on trending markets. Only on trending markets. If it's just ranging, like over here, it's not gonna work. I'll be looking for 101s and closures. Okay, weak bullish. Gamble to kind of possibly push up. Okay, we're not tapped in. Let's just say if we did get tapped in, the way we manage risk is if we get a closure back on top. Like we get a closure below here. Like over here. Let's just say like if we had our buy stop right here. Let's just say that. If we had our buy stop right there, I will close 4 right here with a mini loss. That's what I would do. Cause I don't like taking trades like that. Um, and there's a higher much possibility it could just continue pushing down if we close back in the bottom. So I still have my buy stop right there. That's above. Hold on, let me adjust this. Let me just adjust this real quick. Um, okay, yeah, that's above that. I'm looking for a 1 or 2. A 1 or 2. A 1 or 2, because we do got like, oh yeah, look right here. If you look left, we got wick rejection. So I'm looking for a 1 or 2. Okay, that's very nice. It literally just tapped that area. Exactly my TP point. Exactly. like my TV phone. Exactly. That's beautiful. 1 or 2. Boom. Clean trade. Um. Now, where can you see price going right now? Price, if we do have a closure on top right here, you could possibly see some buys at New York. Let's just see New York. It's gonna happen in New York. Let's go to New York. Let's let's trade New York real quick. Mm, okay, we found support right here to continue pushing back up with them. Okay, we got some resistance right there. So, where are we looking for support to be formed? Let's go on the 1 hour. 1 hour. We're looking for support to be formed right there on the 1 hour. We can have 1 hour support. That would be nice. Okay, we got 1 hour support at New York open as well. And what do you see? Clean traffic to the left, and your take profit will be right here, right there. You could put a buy stop right there, but that's not enough pip range. This is enough pip range. Me, I'll have a 25 pip stop, or right here at the bottom of that wick. That's safer. Since I'm looking for a 1 or 2, I'll have a 32 pip stop, like a 1 or 2. Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh, I almost got stopped out. Almost. Like 5 pips away. And that's how you trust. That's how you trust your analysis. Because we're not expecting price to go all the way down here. But it happened. We almost got stopped out though. We wouldn't got stopped out if I put 25 pips. If I did. The reason I didn't put 25 pip, since like the 25 pip is too small. Way too small. Since this candle is 37, and I'm not trying to take that risk. So, oh, we almost hit TP. Oh, there you go, we hit TP. Beautiful trade, back to back. Okay, let's just say, okay, as you can see here, okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, as you can see, right, let's just say we took this based off the 30 minute. I don't like taking trades based off the 30 minute when it makes support, because I'm waiting for bigger confirmations. Let's just say if I did trade the 30 minute for support. Um, let's just say I took the trade right there. I took the trade right there. Under that, under right here. Let's just say I have my stops under here. Okay, you see this bearish candle closes back in the range. I will cut my losses half. So I will close forward there. Boom. Lost 0.5%. Managed my risk. Now, my second entry will be right here on the 30 minute. And my stops will be under 25 pips right there. And my target will be right there. Because it's a gambler candle, like I said. I like taking gambler candles. See, lots of volume. Boom. But that will be my second entry. Alright, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, like it, subscribe. I'll be making more videos like this in the future. More breakdowns. I'll probably be like showing my live trades that I take. Um, yeah. So have a good day and peace out.